So we have these two speeds. One is this walking, and then we have these two segments here, A, B, and C. So if we call the walking speed of Ankita as r kilometer per hour, then the return is 40% higher her running speed. So it would be 1.4 r kilometer per hour. Now we're told that she takes exactly 3 hours, 30 minutes to walk from B to C. So walk 3.5 hour. And to walk from B to C, as well as to run from B to A. So 3.5 hour to run. So we can find this distance would be her running rate, which is 1.4 r. Let me actually call that D1 times 3.5 hours. So this is rate times time. And then that's the same distance she covers while she's walking. So if that time is T1 here, this would be R times T1. And from this, I can figure out what T1 is, because R would drop out. It's 1.4 times 3.5, and you can use the calculator here. It turns out to be 4.9 hours. And if you look at the question, they're asking total time in minutes you would take to walk from A to B, which is T1, plus as to run from B to A. The total time that you would take to walk from A to B and run, no, this part here. So here, if we call that time T2, we know that walking, she's taking 3.5 hours, so that distance is the same. So if we call that D2 is equal to R, her walking rate, times the time, and that's also equal to her running rate times T2. So I can use that to figure out T2, which is 3.5 over 14, which is 7 times 5 is 35, 2.5 hours. So the total is 7.4 hour. And to convert this into minutes, we multiply that by 60, and we get 444 minutes.